Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to create a butterfly chart in Tableau. We will be also learning how we can use this butterfly chart in real-time scenarios. Finally, we will be also learning how to create a funnel chart of comparative analysis from this butterfly chart using one or two steps in this video. Hey, it's your friend Srikanth Thiruveedula, who is a Tableau practitioner, trainer, and a freelance consultant on Tableau. Without any further delay, let's jump right into building a butterfly chart in Tableau. As we will be using these type of butterfly charts in comparing one with other analysis. For example, in this scenario, let's take current year YTD sales into columns and let's create sum of zero, which is another axis, and here we are bringing the previous YTD sales onto the columns again. Yeah. And we want to compare in between the different types of subcategories. So for that, I will be bringing subcategories into the rows. And let's sort by descending order and reverse the axis of the first chart. And hide the headers in the left side. So this is the basic butterfly chart which we have got now. And let's make further more steps to increase the analysis of this part. Let's remove the lines here. I am going to move into the format option. Lines, pane, we are going to remove that. Column divider, panes, none. Let's format this butterfly chart and make it more beautiful to compare easily current year YTD sales with the previous year YTD sales. For that, let me click on the first axis and format. Go into the grids, and here I am going to change my pane to none and column also onto none. Both my headers and are also removed from borders of this chart are removed. And again, we are going to remove the grid lines also. For that, we are going to remove zero lines and columns. We are going to remove that. Remove everything here from the view chart. Remove the lines on the visible worksheet. Now, let me bring this here onto the labels so that we'll be able to see the labels and format this to dollars, number custom, decimals, converted to dollars. Likewise, for the previous year also, we are going to bring the labels of the previous year onto the label here and format them. In the middle, we are going to get text which is going to represent subcategory of the each bar. So for that, we are going to bring the subcategory onto the label. And we are going to make this automatic as text. Let's hide the header here so that we will be able to see the bars here. As we are comparing, we need to know which subcategory in the current is performing better than the previous year subcategory. So for that, we are going to write one more calculation. And we are going to use that calculation to color this bar. For that, we are going to bring current year YTD sales greater than previous year YTD sales and apply this. And bring this calculation onto the color shelf. Let's go into the edit color. And for true, we are going to make them green. And for false, we are going to make it red. And apply this. Likewise, we are going to do the same for the previous year also. For that, let's duplicate the calculation and edit this as current year less than previous year. And apply this color to the previous year YTD sales. For true, we are going to make it green, and for false, we are going to make it red, and apply this. So this is the bar chart wherein we can clearly understand in the perspective of current year YTD sales, all the subcategories except binders and bookcases and labels have performed well compared to the previous year for the subcategories. And if you are looking at the right side of the previous year, when compared to previous year, when we are looking at the right side of the butterfly bar chart, if we are looking at this chart, we are easily able to understand that previous year sales, previous YTD sales were better only on the case of the binders, bookcases, and labels. We can use butterfly charts for comparing different types of analysis like budget versus actual analysis, wherein we can take the budget of allocation and versus of the actual spent on it in real time cases, as well as we can compare using market research between two brands with the different features like subcategory. As you have different members of the subcategory, you can take different features between the two brands and you can make comparison of two products. As well, we can also use in stock portfolio analysis also. Like this, we can use this butterfly chart to compare between one spectrum of the analysis to the another spectrum of the analysis. And I've also promised you that we'll be also building a funnel chart within 1 or 2 steps. So for that, if you want to build a funnel chart out of it, we just need to remove the axis which is already available in the columns. And here you go. This is the funnel chart which can be used for the comparative analysis. And likewise, you can also make it reverse funnel chart if you are using on the increasing order. So like this, we can make a funnel chart from the butterfly chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know if you have any doubts on Tableau in the comment section below. Until next video, happy visualizing. Thank you.